Yeah. Yeah.
So how was today's experience for you?
Absolutely fantastic. It was really, really good fun. It was very well paced. We had, I think the exercise that we picked really worked for us because it had lots of different parts. So you never got too bored, you never got stuck on anything, and it was enabled us to have it really inclusive because everyone can do something. So it was a really, really good mix. Really recommend it for teams of this sort who are kind of, you know, we've all got different things that we're good at, and it was absolutely brilliant. And we laughed so much. It was really, really excellent.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
No, and I meant every word. It was really. I'm really glad we picked that particular mission one because I've done other things before. Sometimes, you know, sometimes if you do something, a whole thing that lasts for an hour and a half, you kind of, if you don't get stuck into it, you can get a bit lost. Whereas with this one, it's like, you know, everyone has a bit peaks and troughs in energy, so you can come in on the next one with lots of energy, and you know, from another one you can hold back. You know what I mean?
This is true. Yeah,
it's good to pace it. Yeah. No, I thought it was really.
Changing the enthusiastic.
Yeah, and the dynamic.